So there are some people that are wicked though. There are some family members that they know that their son is probably in a relationship with someone else or married to someone else, but somehow they cover up for the person for only God knows why. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace for those of you who don't know me. So in today's video, we'll be having relationship chit chat. So I recently attended a seminar, and the seminar was about relationship. Thanks to Pastor Loretta, she really dished out a lot of knowledge about relationship. So here are a few points I jotted, and I felt it's a bit selfish me keeping this information to myself. So why not share it? You might learn something or two from it. So love is a beautiful thing. Relationship is really beautiful if you're in it with the right person. Don't let people lie to you or fool you with the words of fuck men, fuck women, fuck, you know, all those things they say. So relationship is beautiful, like I said, when you're in love is beautiful when you're in it with the right person. But sometimes I feel like when we are showered with so many attention, we forget ourselves. Basically, we forget to look out for things. We forget to observe things for ourselves to protect our heart. So I recently attended a seminar, and this was a relationship seminar, and the things I learned, oh my god, I was like, no, I just can't keep this to myself. I have to share it. Maybe it's a bit of help to one or two people. So if you like this video, kindly tell me, subscribe, and I'll make a part 2 of this video. So here I wrote down some of the things I learned that I'll be sharing about how to know that a person isn't into you. So I jotted down some points here. Point number 1 is that nothing in the relationship interests them. You are basically in the relationship on your own. You bring up suggestion on how to make the relationship more sparkling and everything, but the significant other is being resistant. It's like, no, nothing basically interests them. He's just there for them. So that's it. It's like you are giving 100 and the person isn't even meeting with a 50. 50 is too low. But if I'm giving you 100, I'll expect you to be giving me back 100. It's like we have to meet. You have to meet my energy. I can't be at 100 speed going and you are walking like a snail behind me. No, you have to be interested in the relationship, just like how I'm interested in the relationship. We'll have to do everything that works for the relationship. Point number 2 is that he or she is not bothered that someone is showing interest in you. Let's say, for instance, I'm in a relationship and another guy is showing interest in me, and my partner isn't even bothered. It's like it's nothing to him. To him, it's like, do whatever. That is a big red flag of, no sis, this man isn't into you. He is not for you. P.S. See, I'm not a relationship expert. I'm just saying from what I learned. So back to the discussion. Someone else is showing interest in me. You are not even bothered. You are not even saying anything to you. It's like nothing. Then that's a problem. It simply means you are probably into someone else, or you are just in the relationship trying to still figure out if really I'm the partner for you or not, which I'm not here for. If you are not bothered that someone is showing interest in me, then maybe it's not meant to be. Maybe that I won't be able to explain it as good as Pastor Loretta explained it, but I will try my best to do it. Point number 3 is that they never treat you special. Like every day it's like a normal day, like nothing. Like you don't get treated special. Like there's a special treatment you get from the person you love, and you'll be like, yes, this one are my own. This one, he is mine. He treats you so special. He treats you like the queen, or she treats you like the king that you are, like an egg, scared of you falling off because obviously you crack. So there's this special treatment you get. You'll be like, yeah, I'm loved. Yeah, this person got my back. Yeah, I'll always rely on this person. Right? It doesn't have to be, let's say for instance, it doesn't have to be a big surprise. You understand? If you go out, for instance, and you see this pair of shoes and you feel like your partner will like the shoe, get it from the person. Get it for the person. It goes both ways, not just the man gets it for the woman or the woman gets it for the man. Like you surprise each other every now and then. You treat each other specially. It could be going on a trip. It could be going to a restaurant. It doesn't have to be fancy, but just that one-on-one time. It's point number 4. If they avoid you, they are not into you. I can't agree less, which is true. How can you be in a relationship? How can you be into someone and you're avoiding the person? make it make sense. It's not possible. So if you really love the person, if you really see your future with this person, there is no way you will avoid the person, no matter how much the person is being a pest to your life. But the person is this disturbia that keeps calling. Have you eaten? Have you had a bath? Have you done your, that is showing care. Yeah, something might be too much, but I feel like avoiding the person even makes it worse. You make the person feel like the person is forcing his or herself on you, which is a no. I'm not here for that. I don't have time for that. Next. The point number 5 is that nobody is ever too busy for anything special to them, which is actually true. We all have people that keeps calling us every now and then, but there's this one person that when he or she calls, we'll drop whatever we're doing and attend to the person. When this person texts us, we just make our time. No matter how busy we are, we kind of make our time, we kind of squeeze that time from our tight schedule to give this person a minute or 2 minutes attention. Sis, brother, if you're not getting that, then you're probably in the relationship yourself. But nobody is too busy for anybody that is special to them. That's just the truth. We have that one person we spend more than 5 minutes with on our WhatsApp, on our Facebook. We have that person. I know best friends, they have their own, but I'm talking about like relationship, boyfriend girlfriend relationship. We have it. If yours is always busy, like he can't even or she can't even spare a minute or 2 for you, then you should probably check out. You might be the side piece without you knowing. Just saying. The next point is they are not keen into spending time with you. They really don't care. Like, it almost sounds like they're embarrassed talking with you in the public. They don't want to be around you, basically. Like I said in my other points, it's they want to just hit it and go. So if he's not willing to spend time with you, where you guys get to sit, have an intelligent conversation, or have intelligent conversations where you talk about the future, your future plans, your vision, your dreams, your goals, where you see yourself in the next 5 years. If you guys can spend time and discuss such, then I think you're better off as friends, because you can't start discussing about your future plans or marriage plans or life plans when you're already married. So sis, brother, if you can't spend time with each other to have intelligent conversations, not unnecessary conversation or topic that doesn't have any influence in your life, my people, leave that relationship. It's not for you. The next point is they do not listen to you. Your own ideas, your own suggestions are nothing to them. What they say, that's fine. If they say yes, it's yes. They dare not object. My sister, my brother, you are not in a tyrant relationship. You are not in a dictatorship relationship. What did I say? Leave. You deserve to be heard. You deserve to be listened to. Your opinions are to be listened to. It takes 2 to tango. He might be seeing something this way and you might be seeing this thing another way. If he doesn't listen to you or she doesn't listen to you, how are you guys going to come together, on the same ground and kind of come to an agreement or provide a solution? You have to listen to each other. The idea or the person's solution or the person's opinion might sound not so smart to you, but just listen to them. Listen to them. Like I said, everybody deserves to be heard. Everybody deserves to be listened to. Listen to them, my people. Listen to your significant other. This is the person you spend your whole life with. This is the person you probably have kids with. So if you can't listen while you are still in a relationship, being boyfriend and girlfriend, is it when you are in the marriage you start listening? It might be too late. The next point is they are not interested in meeting your family. They are not interested in meeting your friend. Like basically they zoned you in a zone that you don't even know, and or they don't also want you to and they don't also want you to meet their family. That's another thing. Are you a side piece? Because them meeting your family means they're serious, right? If for instance a guy comes to meet my family, that means he's really interested, he's serious about the relationship and others. The same way he will introduce me to his family. Although there are some people that are wicked though. There are some family members that they know that their son is probably in a relationship with someone else or married to someone else, but somehow they cover up for the person, for only God knows why. So sis, this is mostly for my sisters out there. Be observant. See things through the eyes of the needle. You don't get carried away by all the love and all the roses, all the flowers he gets for you. Yeah. Those things, they fade away, but what happens at the end of the day?